Hundreds gathered for the memorial service of Shanquella Robinson to celebrate her life. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A memorial service for 25-year-old Shanquella Robinson was held at the Macedonia Baptist Church early yesterday morning. Dozens of friends, family, and community members gathered to celebrate her life. Close friends and family members dressed in bright pink to honor the young woman who lost her life while on vacation with friends in Mexico. At the start of the ceremony, community members gathered as a horse-drawn carriage laid the colorful casket of Shanquella inside the church grounds. Her homegoing service was held and also a viewing, where members of the family spoke openly about Shanquella. The service was moving and emotional as it brought many to tears as they reflect on the life of Shanquella. The service closed with a song associated with a crown as the choir sang. Ushers walked down the aisle placing a crown on Shanquella's head before closing the casket and concluding the ceremony. A burial service was held following the church service to lay her to rest. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to offer our sincere condolences to her family and friends.
to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.